Every year, hundreds of students drop out of college due to financial constraints. Please join us as we come together with local community partners, businesses, schools, and volunteers to bring you PALM, an emergency scholarship fundraiser that helps students stay in school.
My name is Enrique Figueroa. I'm an associate professor and the director of the Roberto Hernandez Center here at UWM. The Roberto Hernandez Center has a very important historical role in the development of the Latino community here in Milwaukee. In August of 1970, members of the Latino and Chicano community in Milwaukee came together and confronted the university. They in fact took over Chapman Hall, which is the administration building here on campus, to demand that the university address the concerns of, back then they were called the Spanish-speaking community of Milwaukee. They were successful. A Spanish-speaking outreach institute, people knew it as SSOI, was created in 1971. In 1996, the Roberto Hernandez Center was renamed. Instead of the SSOI, it became the Roberto Hernandez Center. We have a threefold mission: student services, an outreach dimension, and we have an applied research dimension to it, although it's small. We recognize that it was important because a number of our students have financial needs, that we needed to establish a scholarship fund here at the Roberto Hernandez Center. The purpose of our fund is to provide scholarships.
One of the main benefits that I received at the RHC is the emergency scholarship that I applied for. I'm Norma Ortiz. I'm a senior majoring in broadcast journalism at UWM. I come to the Roberto Hernandez Center because it's a good place to, study, do homework, and it's also a place where you can find a support system. The fact that people are raising this money just so one more Latino student can graduate really means a lot to me, and thanks to this emergency scholarship, I'm able to graduate next semester.
At MillerCoors, we are very proud to be a long-standing supporter of organizations that make a real difference in the community where we work and live. MillerCoors would like to invite other corporate members of the Milwaukee community to engage and support the Roberto Hernandez Center so the Roberto Hernandez Center can continue with its mission of preparing a well-educated workforce for the Milwaukee community.
Please join us in this effort as we raise thousands of dollars for Latino students here in Milwaukee.